I want to call out Jerry Amilo. Jerry Amilo just posted a video of Junior Pope's corpse with cotton wools in his nose. Such a very senseless man. I used to respect Jerry Amilo. I used to have so much respect for Jerry Amilo. Jerry Amilo, I am disappointed in you. Why would you post such a thing? Why? For waiting for comment, for you to have traffic on your Facebook. You took a video of your friend, of your junior colleague, lying dead with cotton wool in his nose. You made a video, watermarked the video and posted because your Facebook is monetized, Abi. You're posting content. You're using your junior colleagues' corpse to create content. Jerry Amilo. You see, not be every elder gets sense. I don't call out people like this. I don't. I stay on my lane. But Jerry Amilo, you're a colossal failure. You're a total failure. You're a stupid man for you to have done a thing like this. Like they say, the internet does not forget. Do you know how the children of this man will feel growing up, seeing the corpse of their father all over the internet, the lifeless body of their father all over the internet? You see, it pain me. It pain me. It pain me. You know, go understand they can't suffer. You know, go understand how we don't struggle. You go understand. Nobody go understand. Why would it be now? Why will it be now that the rainy days are over? Why will it be now? And I don't go understand what we don't go through. You know, it's all good. I just pray that his soul rest in peace.
He say, now let me want the bone, oh. Make the boys off you drive am, oh. Now let me want the bone, oh.
Don't leave me that ball, no bread.
Now that one just came in. Ah, only in one, I'm not lost now.
Don't leave me that ball. I got 3 children. I go raise them.
Okay.
I got 3 children.
Now me go raise them.
Bros, I'm back. Oh, Jesus, what is this?
You say, I get 3 children and me go raise them. I get 3 children and me go raise them.
I got 3 children and me go raise them. I beg, take a sports for. Don't like, this is a risk. Sweat nation, see the risk we take.
You see?
You don't get like
Now they take risk.
don't speak.
They'll go inside bush, go out, go the front. Ah!
Live on the right on River
So now
Niger.
you make the supposed to they say, the mission say they secure, they okay. They will make sure say they okay. You understand?
I dey see that the freeze their life now. They talk rubbish. I don't write them for. I don't write for the comment and say they talk. They mislead people. Nobody, no people, village people go that hospital say they want carry that guy dead body. Nobody. Just that the family said that they are not going to bury him in that place. I believe this is what they talk. And the water people know they drag him. Don't they drag him? That's if you don't carry no problem, carry him with the consequences. It's on you, not on us.
They have to do the normal thing where they go do. That is the only thing. But you go eat them money. Go up to 20 to 30 million.
Okay.
The thing where they go for them not to bury that guy there. Go eat them up to 30 to 40.
The thing go work.
But I don't know whether it go work. Oh. I never see person way drown for river where they bury outside that river.
No, I never
seen it.
Not see anybody. I never see
I've
anybody.
not seen it.
Well,
that is why a wise man will tell you avoid the river. Avoid the river. No matter how you
Person that
do,
to
avoid it.
you know, if you watch my video, you see he was sitting now. He was getting conscious. Like if you watch the video where he sit down, they try to bring him to life. Once as he comes to that place, he can do like this, bam, he hand shake. Now the man can say he don't come back. Because the man said that this guy's spirit they wander around. Say they see the spirit, they wander around. Make we wait, saying bring the spirit. Everybody left. He carry face water. Because the man shrine face water. So he carry face, can carry firewood and smoke.
Then be that firewood where they there where they light fire.
Let the smoke they enter in nose. Make we know that if he sneeze. Carry balm, carry so many things. Can carry uyom. You know what uyom now? This chicks.
That white top.
Chicken. That's small one.
Chicken, yeah.
Come use don't come out. Small time the guy hand do like this. Ebo can shout. Can shout.
Be that shout.
Can carry him because man can see more carry and go hospital go give him drip. Can carry him immediately. Can go hospital.
The hospital where I go now, the one where don't get oxygen.
They get oxygen.
So which one they say they do not have the equipment, they have to move into another place.
The equipment they talk like this way they put for chest. What's be that name? What's be the name?
Life, this thing.
If they put it that hospital, that last hospital will go, they get full equipment. You know what they do, you know? They put up a machine. They put so many things for him body, so many, even in brain. The one where they read in brain, the one in brain down day 0. It's not even reading again. Nothing is reading. Yeah. So now the hospital can't confirm I'm dead.
It just I just pity for the wife and the
these Lollywood people, they don't even care about themselves. Let's see what they will do to the family now.
Thank you, Mama.
Let's even see what they will do to the children. If they will give the children scholarship or not. I don't even think they will do that because it's social media.
So that they can give him oxygen and resuscitate him for God's sake. Why are we like this, Nigerians? For God's sake. This boy has not been confirmed dead. You people are already posting that he's dead. Please take him. Why are you people even taking him to the mortuary? Who told you he's dead?
Okay.
Please take him to a nearby hospital that they can give him oxygen and resuscitate him. For God's sake, I'm sending this video in case anybody around is watching. I just watched a video now. They have crowded him and they are busy fanning him with paper.
TC was the first thing.
Another thing we need to complain.
This is a bit swim.
Yes,
No,
that's why
I don't think if it's a bit swim, if you know that rope, if you don't try swim
Another
off.
thing that the villagers said, the head of the villagers, he said that TC was ringing bell. And you can't ring bell on the, it's like he says that for today is their markets across the street.
I ain't take get bell. Okay, when they be there shoot.
Yes, you can't be making noise inside. They were not shooting, they were crossing. They were not shooting, they were not shooting. They were crossing. They were crossing to the other side. So TC they ring bell, those kind of they ring bell.
Hey Jima, you remember what happened last year? One video I post for Calabar. Where we go on slave, this I post for my WhatsApp. When they come back, one guy and his girlfriend they inside boat. The guy just they shout, "Mommy, water power, powerless power."
Imagine.
So all of us were like, "What is wrong with you? Why are you doing this?" Guess what? We know reach where they go. 7:30 in the night, engine of that speedboat catch fire. You remember now? We post one video now.
I know.
Engine of that thing catch fire. Now I swim.
He say, now let me want the bone, oh. Make the boys off you drive them, oh. Now let me want the bone, oh.
Don't leave me that ball, no bad.
Now that one just came in. Only in one, the mother lost her now.
Don't leave me that ball. I got 3 children. I go raise them.
Okay.
I got 3 children.
Now me go raise them.
Bros, I'm back. Oh Jesus, what is this?
You see, I get 3 children and me go raise them. I get 3 children and me go raise them.
I got 3 children and me go raise them. I beg, take a sports forward. Don't like this is a risk. Swag nation, see the risk we take.
You see?
It's okay like
Then they take risk.
don't speak.
They'll go inside bush, go out. They'll go
To
destroy. Ah,
entertain you. Live
no.
on direct on River
So now
Niger.
make they supposed to they say they make sure say they secure, they okay. They will make sure say they
Swag
okay.
nation, the lie.
You understand?
My
It just I just pity for the wife and the kids.
These Lollywood people, they don't even care about themselves.
To bear the loss.
Let's see what they will do to the family now.
Thank you, Mama.
Let's even see what they will do to the children. If they will give the children scholarship or not. I don't even think they will do that because it's social media
So
now
that they
that
can give him oxygen and resuscitate him for God's sake.
See what
Why
this
are we
woman
like
talking?
this, Nigerians? For God's sake. This boy has not been confirmed dead. You people are already posting that he's dead. Please take him. Take him. Why are you people even taking him to the mortuary? Who told you he's dead?
Okay.
Please take him to a nearby hospital that they can give him oxygen and resuscitate him. For God's sake, I'm sending this video in case anybody around is watching. I just watched a video now. They have crowded him and they are busy fanning him with paper.
Una dey on una own because me never see where person go want go enter that River Niger. You no go use life jackets. Eh? You no go wear life jacket. A old junior pope will be big celebrity. You no use life jacket. Eh? A guy will get 3 children. 3 boys, 3 soldiers for us. Una don't let his wife now. Una don't make his wife now be widow. God go judge you now. God go judge you now, Lollywood people. God go judge you now. Really? Eh? If me they even art film, I'm not sure say me go even try on. I'll call me say make I call it that River Niger. I don't go try am. God forbid bad thing. I don't go try am. He say now let me want the born oh. Make the boys off you drive am oh. Now let me want the born oh.